And what's the worst thing that could happen if this goes wrong?
Splat.
Okay, good luck.
Maestro, hit the tape.
Thank you, Bello. Howie.
You know, here was the thing. Sometimes you screamed like you were in trouble. I thought, he's in trouble! And my neck hurts, and I was scared. You're like the new high-wire kid in play.
Mel?
I mean, I'm on the fence here because I did find it a little bit cheesy, but it's really dangerous. There's no safety net, but I'm just not sure.
Heidi.
Well, Bello, I really enjoyed this.
Thanks.
You make it fun, but it's dangerous at the same time. Also, you're not in a harness, you know, so it is super dangerous. I thought it was very entertaining. I thought it was very good.
Wow.
Thank you.
Bella, look, you know, I like you. You're a nice guy. You know, I get it. Some people would like this kind of act. I find this a little bit what I would like if I was sort of like 2 years old. So let me start with Howie.
You are crazy, you are dangerous, and that is what this show is, so it's a yes from me.
All right. That's one.
Bello, I'm going to give you a yes.
Oh, thank you.
Bello, look, it's not for me. I'm going to say no.
Would you give me a chance if I told you I could double the height of the pole? Look, 7 generations of my family have been entertainers. I have done nothing other than entertain people. There's nothing I want to do other than entertain people. I'm even willing to do way more than the height of the pole.
Like what?
Oh, man. You tell me if you want to see me get shot out of a cannon over a helicopter, I'll do it.
Yes, I would.
Okay.
I'm going to change my no to a yes.